Hi everyone, and welcome to the first chapter of our comprehensive JavaScript course. My name is Raisul and I'm excited to take you on this journey of learning one of the most powerful programming language. Today we will dive into the basics: what JavaScript is, where it's used, why learn JavaScript, where does JavaScript code run, and finally we will set up our coding environment and write our first JavaScript code. So get comfortable and let's begin. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language. It's designed to add interactivity and dynamism to web pages. Remember those cool animations, pop-up prompts, and dynamic content you see on websites? Or we can click any hamburger menu, it pull-ups a navbar for us. They are powered by JavaScript. Now, where is JavaScript used? JavaScript is not limited to web pages anymore. It's now used in various applications like mobile app development, server-side development, game development, desktop application development, and so on. Why learn JavaScript? As you can see, JavaScript is incredibly versatile and in high demand across various industries. By learning JavaScript, you will open door to existing career opportunities in web development, mobile app development, and other tech fields. It's also a valuable skill for building personal project, automation tasks, and adding a touch of magic on your websites. Where does JavaScript code run? There are two main places where JavaScript code runs. The first one is the web browser and the second one is Node.js. JavaScript could run in your favorite browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and so on. They all have built-in engines designed to understand and execute JavaScript code. When you visit a web page that uses JavaScript, the browser grabs the HTML structure, the CSS for styling, and the JavaScript for instructions or functionalities. As the browser renders the page, it runs the JavaScript, adding all the cool functions you see like animation, from validation, responding to clicks, and so on. Then Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. That means we can run our JavaScript code outside of browsers. With Node.js, you can write JavaScript to build server-side applications, command line tools, and even control robots. This unlocks a whole world of possibilities beyond just web pages. Now, let's move on to the next part. In this video, we will write our first code in JavaScript on a browser. In future video, we will create our environment and install Node.js for writing JavaScript code. Now, open a browser, then click the right button, go to Inspect, and here we see a Chrome developer tool. Click on the console, and here we can write some JavaScript code and run this on browser. Write console.log and open a bracket, and here write hello world, then close it and give a semicolon. Then press enter and you will see here with JavaScript code we can print hello world. We can also make some calculation in here like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. As you can see, we can write all JavaScript codes on any browser. But of course, this is not the right way to code like we are writing code on browser. We need an environment to write our code and explore more things. So in the next video, we will set up our environment and learn from basics. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.